Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to find out if your processor support SLAT. SLAT is second level address translation. Go to the start menu and type turn Windows features on or off and hit enter. In this new window, scroll down and expand this option Hyper-V. If you show this option Hyper-V platform, SLAT is support for your PC. If you not show this option, Hyper-V management tools or any Hyper-V option, your processor not support SLAT or virtualization feature. And this is all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.